2025, nasa kalsada po ulit ang ating mga kababayan para sa iisang sigaw, mapanagot ang lahat ng mga nasa likod ng korupsyon.
At sa mga narinig nating kwento tungkol sa katakot-takot na pangungurakot nitong nagdaang mga araw,
The depth of corruption has become so overwhelming.
hindi mahirap isipin na hindi pala baha ang magpapalubog sa ating bayan, kundi kasakiman.
In our municipality, every voice, no matter how small, is a toward progress.
My voice for a quality education and a brighter future.
My voice for decent job and stable livelihood.
Our voice for environment and a suitable for tomorrow.
Our voice for the safety and healthy of the children.
Our voice for peace, dignity, and respect in our community.
The Tinig Ko is not on words, it is an action, unity, and participation.
Every idea is heard, leaders is personal, our work together.
My voice,
My voice.
our voice. Together, hear our voice. Stand as one.